Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a very special watch, the Bulova Curve 98A328, a timepiece with both a curved case and also a curved movement. And if you are a watch fan, make sure to stick around until the end because we will be giving away a watch. Alright, so let's unbox this Bulova. The watch comes in the original Bulova box. And here it is. An absolute beauty. Mysterious yet luxurious. The main colors are black combined with gold accents. This model carries the reference number 98A328. The case has a diameter of 44 millimeters and is 10.4 millimeters thick. As you can see, the watch case is two tones and is also made from two different materials. It is made from 316 stainless steel and also forged carbon. And protecting this dial is a very special anti-reflective dual curved sapphire crystal glass. And as you can see, the watch has a black strap and this strap is made of rubber with a 25mm lug width. And inside you will find the NR20 movement. This means the watch has a chronograph with 3 subdials. At the 3 o'clock you get the hours, at 6 o'clock the seconds, and at 9 o'clock it shows 1/10 of a second. And now let's see how the watch looks like on my wrist. To me it feels mysterious and exciting, something very different from what I usually wear. It almost feels like a piece of jewelry because the case really hugs my wrist. I'm very curious to hear what you guys think about this watch. And if you're interested in buying this watch, check out the link in the description. It is available for $1,845 and we ship worldwide, wherever you are. Let me know what you guys think about this watch in the comments. And to win a watch, because yes, we are actually giving one away every single month to our most active subscriber, just make sure to comment as often and as quickly as you can on our videos. Turn on your notifications so you'll always know when we post. This way you will have a better chance to win. Good luck and subscribe. Bye bye.